Alright.
Alright, this is going to require a lot of freeze spray. I don't know if it sees on camera, but these things are real dirty and gray.
And matted down.
So what I'm going to do is the real bad parts. I've got a good solution mix in my tank right now here. So I'm going to get the really dirty areas sprayed up with my heavy solution. And then when I get done getting the dirty areas sprayed up, I can add more water to this if I need to, and do the areas that aren't as dirty with less solution and more water.
Yeah, he's gonna, if he adds water, he's gonna dilute it more. So he's gonna use the full strength.
Now, I don't care if I dilute it a little bit on the cleaner parts of the carpet, but on the dirty parts of the carpet, I want a good heavy solution. This needs it.
Yeah, this apartment was, for the 3 years that the people lived here, they never vacuumed. They never had their carpets cleaned. So if you want to see the pre-vac video, we've got a video showing the pre-vacuum of it while he's doing that. Well, you could just see by the debris that's on the floors over here, that's what was on the carpets basically. So it was pretty messy, and it hadn't been vacuumed in 3 years, so there's a lot of deeply embedded dirt. And that will not come out with a pre-vac most of the time unless you spend hours and hours and hours, which we don't have time to do. So you may see a lot of junk coming up with the bonnet cleaning. So we'll probably end up having to post-vacuum these carpets to try to pick up more of the debris.
Oh yeah, there's a good likelihood of that.
Yeah. And we also have the option of going over it with an extractor if we wanted to as well, to try to suck out more dirt.
We're going to bonnet clean it real thoroughly though.
We're trying not to get the carpets soaking wet, because if you use an extractor, you're going to get the carpets wetter, which is fine on most carpets. But these carpets, I'm sure that the floor underneath the carpet pad is filthy, because I'm sure they didn't clean it when they changed the carpets out the last time.
Oh, this one.
So we'll bring up a ton of subsurface dirt.
There's like a queen size bed sitting here, and you can see around it. So this is the main focal point of the pre-spray.
Yeah. Now when you have an area like this and you have people who have lived here for 3 years and never vacuumed, you're never going to probably get all the wear out of the carpet. So you're going to be able to see a transition zone from where their bed was at. It's not going to go away.
You can see from right here over here where their feet went every day.
Yeah.
And apparently they have some nasty, filthy feet.
Well, you can see a perfect outline of the bed, and you can see when nobody vacuumed for 3 years and they didn't keep the carpets cleaned and they were messy. You can see that the carpets are they're not going to ever come back to looking all the same.
No.
As a carpet cleaner, you can only do so much with things like this.
We'll make it look as good as we can, and it'll look pretty good, but it's not going to be brand new. That's not going to happen. No,
there's a lot of wear and tear in these carpets. There's cigarette burns. There's some cigarette burns over here. There's that's a big cigarette burn. So you're going to try to just get the carpets cleaned up and fluffy again, but they're not going to look brand new.
You're just saving them. Trying to save the carpets because they can root them out again.
Yeah.
That's all this is.
We get a lot of comments from people basically like, why don't they put new carpets in? That's nasty and all this stuff. It's just like you.
Why would they?
When you're spending $1,300 or more to get new carpets put in, you can't afford to replace them if you can have them cleaned. And a lot of people think if a tenant moves in and moves out after 2 or 3 months, you should put new carpets in for the tenants come after that, and that's just not possible to do that.
So I'm going to reblend my pre-spray.
We're not going to show all that.
No.
But stay tuned, we're going to start bonnet cleaning.